to show you several different ways to decorate an already iced cookie. What I've done today is taken some already baked ginger snaps that I got at the grocery store, made some royal icing, and put those on top and made sure I had a nice flat surface. These are sugar cookies that I bought in the bakery section of my grocery store. Did the same thing. You can even make your own home-baked cookies and color the royal icing ahead of time, and then we'll do something special on top of these colored ones. An easy way to decorate just a white glazed cookie is with food coloring. Now you're familiar with stenciling with paint and a stencil brush on your walls. Now we're going to use food coloring to stencil on our baked goods. This is just a gel food coloring. You can also use the liquids, but the main thing with this is to have a paper towel handy, dip your brush in, and wipe off all the excess. That way your brush is not runny with the food coloring. Put your stencil down on top of the icing. Make sure your icing is nice and flat and dry. And just do a pouncing motion. You can swirl it to get it right into the little crevices if you feel like you want to. And there we go. It's that easy. If you have a cookie that has colored royal icing on there, we can do a really neat technique by putting our stencil on there. Then we're going to take our royal icing and trowel right across the top of the stencil. Nice and evenly. Be careful when you lift it straight up. And there we go. It gives a raised and embossed look. One final method for a quick and easy way to decorate your cookies is with our cocoa butter. We sell this on our website. It comes in some really nice sparkly jewel tones. I'm going to use the gold today. And it actually is a form of chocolate. So inside it's very, very hard. What you want to do is put a knife down in there and scrape off a few shavings and then tap them off into a little palette. And we're going to warm those up. I have them just here on a little coffee warmer in my artist palette. And if I keep it on there, it'll stay wet and melted the whole time I need to use it. Your brush will get a little hard as you take it off of there, but as soon as you stick it down into the hot cocoa butter, it just melts right back up. So load that up with the cocoa butter. Again, wipe off all the excess on your paper towel. And then we're going to go right to our royal icing cookie and do the pouncing technique. This works great on chocolates and also on the royal icing. It's nice for these stencils that have the very, very fine detail because it's so liquidy, it gets right down into the little crevices. And there we go.